Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel bait after confirming on Hard Rock Bait app. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Here is the important thing to know right away. Once a bait is confirmed on Hard Rock Bait, it usually cannot be cancelled. Baiting apps locks bait instantly to prevent changes after odds move or game start. Even though you can't cancel a confirmed bait, you will still have a couple of options to check. Tap on My Bait or Open Bait in the app. Find the bait you just placed and tap on it to view the details. Look carefully to see if there is a cash out option. If cash out is available, you will see a button that says cash out. This allows you to close the bait early and get some of your money back. The amount may be more or less than what you originally paid depending on the game. If you see the cash out option and want to use it, tap cash out and confirm. This is the fastest way to exit a bait after placing it. And that's it. That's what you need to know about cancelling a bait after confirming on the Hard Rock Bait app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.